What's up guys, it's me Eric B and welcome back to the channel. We finally got a nice day here in Louisiana. A lot of storms and rain and all kinds of stuff rolling through here, not making it very favorable for motorcycle riding. Heading up to the DQ, meet up with some people for the first time, going on a little group ride. Haven't really seen too many bikers around here, and this is the first time I'm actually meeting up. Joined a little Facebook group that's around here, and we'll see how it turns out. And there's only like 2 people here. I'm supposed to be leaving at 12. What's up?
Howdy doody there, Eric.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
What's up, man?
How you doing? Eric.
How
How you doing? Eric, nice to meet you. Sweet, I thought I was gonna be late. I was like looking, I was like, oh man, it says I'm gonna be here at like 12:02.
Yeah, it stands up at 12:30 because people take a while.
Oh, okay. To Toledo Bend in Texas. There's a dam here, and we got some beautiful scenery, some great riding, and just kind of taking a break right now. All right, so let's see what we got here. We got the GSXR, we got the CBR. I think this is 600RR. Got the Yosh on it. ZX10R. It's a 17. This is pretty dope.
Go car is fun. It is fun.
Got the Works exhaust on it. Got the GSXR K5. Is this a 1000?
750.
750? Nice. $600?
Yep, that's a GSXR.
GSXR. I like the, is there a wrap job or
No,
paint
they're
job?
custom painted.
Oh, custom paint job. Nice.
Yours truly. Those scratch marks are from someone dropping it.
Hey, we put a lot of work into that thing.
Alright, so they peeled off because they are going to go grab some food, and I'm going to head back towards the house now. I got to get my stuff ready for another shoot later on today. But all in all, pretty fun. I like the ride. Hope to do it again sometime. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you're new to the channel, be sure to like and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.